Hey, good morning. This is Bill with Sniper Trade, and I had a really good question this morning. First one, what is the MMRB? That is a minimum manageable risk box, and how do we get it? How we get it is either from the report. It is all over the daily report. On this page, this is the Dow 30, because the Tesla, which is my example, is in the 30. We get that on the Dow 30 page. It's right here, RG stat. We go to Tesla, which is right down here, 1179. So there is 1179 for the range stat. We take the R10, which means range stat divided by 10, gives us $1.17. So that's what I did here, $1.17. Then the other way to get it is if you have the bundle for TC2000, you can go right to the range stat, divide by 10, which is just moving the decimal place over, so $1.20. It's really close to the same. The third way to do that is if you don't have either of those two things, but you have some kind of software that plots the PSAR for you, like we had described earlier in the lesson. You can take a delta between the center of each PSAR dot, you put it in there, and as you can see, you get a value, and that value is pretty darn close. Maybe even more accurate than doing it the other way, because it's calibrated to this particular series. It's going to be close. It's going to be good. So that is the MMRB. It is 1/10 of the range stat. The three different ways that you can get it. The second half of it is that the initial stop loss? Yes. And this is how I would do that. This is how I use those boxes. I say I won't take this trade because it looks like it's starting to retrace, right? I won't take this trade if it keeps going out of that. But it has reached a visual level of support. So once it breaks out of that, based on where that was the candle that it started to pause. So I put that box there and say, okay, once it breaks, now I will have that, take that as my in. Anything lower that, okay, it's going to break out, fine. That is my initial stop loss right there, that MMRB. This is Bill with Sniper Trade. Hope that helps.